Hello everyone, welcome to the free video tonight for simplerfutures.com. Theme tonight, in case you missed it. By now the news, everyone knows the elections over the weekend have had the stocks gap away open this morning and traded quite a bit higher overnight last night. But today, during the day session, we had no follow through. I don't like the way they finished. Traded one of our key prints, and that is this 74 level in the S&Ps. That's this voodoo fire line that you can see, or tree line that you can see right there. It's one of the key voodoo lines. And didn't finish real well, left the wick on the top and kind of settled back into the middle. Alright, so I'm looking at a couple of things here, one of which the euro, you can see the same kind of thing there, gapped away but settled kind of in the middle. That's one of the things that's got my attention. Another is the yen. It traded lower, as you would anticipate, on the gap away higher in the stocks, but we found the 20 EMA and have bounced. This looks like follow through higher tomorrow, which would be kind of a back and fill indicator for the stocks. And another is the bonds. They gapped lower, as you would anticipate, with the higher prices in the stocks, but found the same. That's the 20 EMA, and have not really wanted to sit down any more so than what they did last night on the news. That's a nice nice break in the bonds, which is nice to see, but didn't really want to sit down today. No follow through. Bounced off the 20 EMA and kind of finished firm for the session anyway, for the day. This looks like you could see a little bit of higher in the bonds tomorrow, higher in the yen, and another that got my attention was gold, as we were looking for about approximately a 65 trade in the gold, and that's in concert with the 20 EMA as well. We found 66 overnight, which is close enough, and bounced off of it. This looks like follow through higher for gold tomorrow. If that's the case, then the stocks don't exactly just run run for the races tomorrow. They've got a little bit of back and fill, in my estimation, to do. So in case you missed it, I wouldn't necessarily go chasing it at these levels, is kind of what I'm getting at. For this to trade back into the 56, 57 area, for you to nibble along there makes sense to me. And with that, you want to be aware of this 73 level, and then one of our moderators, Tony, who did the videos for last night, has a level up here at like 86, 87 he's been targeting, and that would be a nice level to see traded and tested as well. So my thinking is here, in case you missed it, I wouldn't go chasing it here. You can nibble a little bit here if you've got the risk tolerance to allow a bit of a back and fill type of a trade. Otherwise, more conservative traders might want to start to nibble at a back and fill trade back here on these 56.7s for support. The idea there on that back and fill is that's a support for test higher and back into the 73s and up into the 86, 87s. Okay, so that's what I'm sort of looking at. This would be in line with the turnaround Tuesday kind of trade that we talk about a little bit. To me, it's back and fill on not such a strong follow through or finish today after such a nice breakaway gap overnight last night on that news. Hope this helps. I'm going to hop over into the premium video and look at a few things over there, specific levels, that kind of thing, for some different markets. We got a nice little trade set up in some of the grains also. It's going to be kind of nice. You guys have good trading. Nice evening. I'll be with you again at the next update. Till then, good night.